Back over $59. Is HIMS and HERS back already? So earnings just released yesterday, and they missed revenue forecasts. HIMS and HERS stock falls 10% on revenue miss. HIMS and HERS stock slides 5% after second quarter revenue miss, dropped all the way to a low of $53, $54 again. But this morning we are back up. We are at the levels it was before earnings. This thing has pretty much been flat. All you see in the headlines are all these articles talking about missing revenues, but what did they post? Second quarter of 2025, they posted 545 million. Looks like they missed it by 1%. Like, does it matter? They still grew revenue up 72% year over year. 545 million versus 315 million quarter 2 2024. That's some huge revenue gains. And everyone's still freaking out about a 1% revenue miss. HIMS and HERS falls as declining subscriber base weighs on revenue. Like, look at all these news articles attacking them. Latest subscriber count, 2.4 million subscribers, up 26% from 1.9 million. They still grew 26% subscribers year over year. There's a reason why this thing's shooting back up, guys, at about a $14 billion valuation. And seeing what they just posted, this thing is still pretty cheap. Let's just summarize what happened in quarter 2 earnings. Basically, the stock dropped 11 to 13%, all because of that revenue miss. What do we anticipate going forward? They have a lot of new categories they're getting into in 2025. We don't have the official numbers yet for the latest cash flow and some of the balance sheet income statements, but just picking up some data from the earnings report. Cash on hand, they have about $1.1 billion cash on hand. They just did the Zava acquisition. Don't forget, guys, in 2025, they are also expanding their categories, testosterone and menopause medications. Looks like after those two, they go into longevity, sleep, and preventative medicine. This category is definitely going to be huge for HIMS and HERS. To capture this data, being able to prescribe testosterone and menopause, they will need to also release their lab testing capabilities. That's what they're going to have with this new at-home test kits. So they didn't really go into the details of this, but they're going to have lab testing kits that you could order directly to your house. They announced that this is all going to launch in 2025. Remember earlier this year, they did acquire an at-home lab testing facility. The acquisition will unlock a new level of personalized healthcare and deliver integrated offerings across nutrition, lifestyle supplements, and medication. So HIMS and HERS on an acquisition spree. This is the company they purchased, Tribe Labs. This is going to be a game changer. All the health insights and data that they're going to be able to capture and just make it more convenient for everyone to be able to take blood tests at home. Looks like this is the device that might be coming out from HIMS and HERS. It's going to look something like this. Do some blood work, ship it back to the company, and from there, they'll be able to capture a ton of data from their consumers instead of having to go to the doctor's office, go to Quest Labs. This device will eliminate the need for needles. Customers will be able to learn more about their hormone levels, cardiac risk, stress markers, cholesterol, liver function, thyroid function, and prostate health. And then from there, they'll be able to personalize the treatment plan. Basically on-demand healthcare. This is going to be a game changer, guys. Don't let the 1% revenue miss shake you out. So just some forecasts. Looks like the at-home blood testing kit will be releasing this year. The next 2 quarters are going to be pretty good for HIMS and HERS, I believe. New verticals, new tech, clear signs of growth. This company is fully executing, guys. Don't let the 1% revenue miss and Wall Street take your shares from you. The quarter 2 2025 earnings report was actually not that bad. Once we have the full actual numbers from Seeking Alpha, we'll do a full-on update. But as of right now, looks like this company will keep on disrupting. Short term, we're going to keep getting these little hits. But long run, you better watch out, Big Pharma. HIMS and HERS is coming for you. Anyways, quick little update. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you on the next one.